Up my beauties, welcome back into my channel. We're getting into this neon heart eyes cut crease makeup tutorial for you beauties today. This is the perfect look for Valentine's Day if you guys are looking to amp it up with a nice beautiful pigment. If you guys are new to my channel, I am Michaella Shanti, and if you haven't yet, join the beauty tribe, hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell so you guys don't miss an upload from me, okay? We're starting out with the Second Nature 352 palette, and then we're taking those more deeper brown shades called Brunette and Muddy, and then we're going to be blending that into our outer edges of our crease, and then we're going to be taking it slowly into our inner crease. So basically we're just going to be getting our blend on, girl, so we can get all these pigments to pop, okay? I do not show it on camera, you guys, but I also do go into the shades Brave and In the Zone. They're more of a more lighter brown shade, so I do just blend that on top of where I put Brunette and Muddy. And then next I'm going into that shade Brick. It is a nice deep matte orange shade, and then we're going to be blending that right on top of where we put Brave and In the Zone so we can get a nice beautiful gradient effect, as you beauties can see. So we go from that dark brown to that light orange ratio. And then I'm taking that shade Ablaze, and then we're just going to be popping that on top of right where we put Brick. And as you beauties can see, I am taking it out a little on the outer edges of my eyes. I kind of wanted to get like a winged effect with this eyeshadow, so I kind of brought it out a little more outwards from my eye. And then beauties, I'm just going back in with the same shades that we used, that Brunette, Muddy, Brave, In the Zone, Brick, Ablaze, and we're just blending all those colors back in together. You know, just if you guys see that, you know, you want more pigment of orange, just go back in with those same colors, build it up however you desire it to be, and then just, you know, blend it out, girl. Make it to the best of your ability, okay? Next, I did clean up my crease with some micellar water and charcoal, and then I also am going into that same e.l.f. 16 Hour Camouflage Concealer, and then we're just going to be cutting our crease, beauty, so we can get a nice detailed neon pink with heart eyes, as you guys can see on the other side. And like I always tell you beauties, just take your time with cutting the crease. If you take your time, literally it's going to come out the best that you want it to be. Just take your time. I do speed it up in these parts, but just take your time. If you take your time, it's going to come out amazing and just how you want it to, you know. And it's like kind of therapeutic for me. Like when I cut my crease, you guys, or I do my eyebrows, literally it's just like therapeutic to me. If you guys can relate, comment down below. Next, I am taking that same shades that we used in our crease, that Muddy and Brunette, those darker brown shades, and then we're going to be blending that on the outer edges of our eye so we can get that nice gradient effect. Next, I am taking some eyelash glue. This is in clear. It's by Ardell. And then I basically, you guys, just cut out some hearts on a piece of paper because I did not have time to go to Michael's craft store and go buy some, you know, Valentine's heart eyes. I really wanted to get this content out for you guys. I needed to make my video, so I was like, you know what? I'm just going to cut out some hearts and then I'm going to glue them on. I kind of did get my inspiration from Latina Beauty. I've seen her, I love her channel. You guys should check her out, but basically I just cut them out and just put them on my eyes, and you're basically just gonna pop those pigments on and you gonna see, girl, you gonna see. And then I'm taking those Dozera Cosmetics neon pigments. It is in purple, and then there's also a lighter pink shade. These shades are beautiful, they pop, I would highly recommend it to you guys. They're affordable. I think I got like a 5 or 6 pack of the neon pigments. So basically I'm just taking like a flat brush, you guys, and I'm patting that neon pigment onto my eye. And you are going to get some fallout with this, beauties. It might create a little bit of fallout, but you can always go back, just use your micellar water, your cleanser, whatever you do use, and take off that fallout once you're done cutting your crease or putting those pigments on. And as you beauties can see, I'm trying to stay as close as I can where I did cut my crease, so we don't want to have any of that neon pigment go into where we, you know, spend all our hard time and effort and work in cutting our crease and putting those darker shades. So just try to stay as close as you can to where you cut the crease. And then I am just peeling those little hard eyes off, as you guys can see. And then I'm taking the ColourPop white liquid liner in Graceland, and I'm just gonna be basically filling them in, so the hearts are gonna just pop way more than just if you just left them with concealer. Like, girl, you're gonna be like, dang, girls are gonna be like, oh, you got some hearts on your eyes. Oh my god, girl, I love this look. You're just gonna be like, thank you, girl, I got it from Michaella Shanti's channel, okay? But you guys, this is literally like, I really just did come up with this look, and I was like, okay, I wanted to do this for you guys, and I think it did come out pretty good. Comment down below if you guys think so as well. Next, I'm going into those beautiful lashes. Those are by Strips by RS. She is amazing. She has, those are in the style San Fernando. Check her out on her Instagram. She is literally amazing, you guys. She's coming out with a new Zodiac lash line, so stay tuned for that. I will leave her link down below for her Instagram in my description. And then I am also trying out a new product for you guys here on my channel. That was like an e.l.f. primer. I really did like it. It's a more bigger bottle. It says you get 2 times more of the amount, but I really did like it. I'd probably say it was like 10 bucks, you guys, but I would recommend it. It really did help me like set and prime my face for this, you know, foundation and this highlight, this contour we're about to put on, okay? And you guys know I gotta go in with my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. We're getting a nice, beautiful matte finish today, okay? And you guys, you know, don't mind me. I be just dancing in the background, just literally like, I love listening to music, guys, while I do my makeup. I don't know if you guys do, but I love doing that. I just like zone out and just get into my zone of doing my makeup and, you know, just slaying the day, okay? And you guys know I have to go in with my favorite concealer. It is the Maybelline Master Conceal by Face Studio. I wear shade light to medium, and I'm basically just concealing that up with my concealer brush from Ulta, and then we're just gonna be, you know, concealing it all up, okay? And you guys, I usually do like to blend this out, like you guys can see, with my concealer brush. And then after I'm done like putting all of this out, like blending it all out to my desired effect, I go in with my beauty blender and I blend it and buff it out with my foundation, so you get like a nice, not gradient, you guys, but like a nice smooth finish. Like, it's not gonna look like choppy, like from where you put your concealer to your foundation. Like, once you go in with your beauty blender, it's just gonna blend everything together with your foundation, and it's just gonna look like you are just, girl, you just gonna look glowing, girl. Like, you're gonna be like, dang, like, they're like, look at your foundation. Like, they're gonna literally think you have flawless skin. Like, after you guys do this, literally you are gonna have some flawless skin, okay? Next, I'm going in with that, it is like a sample I did receive like a long time ago from my, a haul that I did a while ago, and I haven't tried it out, but I really did like it. I believe it's in like the translucent powder, but it really did do the job, you guys. It set everything nice, and I really would recommend this to you guys. Next, I'm going into my NYX Wonder Stick. This is a little contour stick. It has like a lighter side for like a highlight and concealer, and then the other side is for like contouring. So I'm basically just going in with that. And then in my previous video, if you guys have seen it, I will also link it down below. I tried a thing where I used this stick also with my BH Cosmetics Brilliance Bronzer and Bronze Babe, and I just love like the nice contoured finish that I did get from it. So I have been pairing these two together, and it's just getting you like, you know, you're gonna be sculpted out, girl. Like, I just been loving how both of these give me like a nice contoured look. And also, if you guys watch my previous videos, I always use this contour. It's Brilliance Bronzer and Bronze Babe by BH Cosmetics, and it just gives you like, to be honest guys, I really prefer like powder contours than like the stick contours, but like I said, I've been pairing it together and I really love this contour since I've ever got it. I would highly recommend it to you guys. It gives you just like a nice smooth finish, as you beauties can see. And now, you know, your girl's just dusting off that bake. I am baking now in my videos. I've been liking it since I've tried it, so I'm just, you know, it's always about trying something new, beauties. Try, you know, something new, and you never know, you might really like it someday. Next, I'm going into my Makeup Revolution Highlight Reloaded and Dare to Divulge, and I'm just popping this on. Like I tell you, beauties, you can build this up, you can make it glow to the gods, you can do whatever you want with this highlight. Like, it's just a very affordable highlight. Like, you guys, Makeup Revolution, you think I'm sponsoring them, but I'm not, you guys. I paid for this stuff with my money, but literally, you guys, it just gives you an amazing glow. And period, this one right here, Wet n Wild, is just like bam. Like, you put this on top, you're gonna be like, dang girl, you're gonna step out in the sun, you might just fly away because you just looking like the sun just hit you like at the perfect angle. Like like, I would highly recommend that Wet n Wild. It's so very affordable. You can find it at the drugstore, Walgreens, CVS. Like, it is just amazing. And then we're just going into those same shades that we used, the Brunette, Muddy, Brave, and the Zone, and then we're just blending that out to like have a gradient effect on the bottom, just like we did where we cut our crease. And I kind of do just connect that, you guys, with where we did cut our crease on the top, so we can get, you know, like a nice beautiful gradient effect that goes together. And then I'm just taking those same shades that we did use to cut our crease, those neon pigments, and you're just going to be popping it on your waterline. This isn't necessary, you guys, if you don't want to do this. I do, but it's not necessary if you guys aren't comfortable with doing this. But I do like using pigments on my lash line. It just makes your makeup look like pop, and you're going to be like, dang, it just makes everything amazing. And then I'm taking that Lorac, I believe it's my favorite shade, the Secret Agent shade, and I'm taking that and I'm putting that on my lips, and then I'm also going to be popping on a little bit of glitter just to give it like kind of a little bit of a glow. Alright, beauties, and this is the completed look for you beauties over here. Thank you so much if you guys stuck to the end. You are amazing, you're awesome. This is literally like the go-to Valentine's Day look for you beauties, and I hope you guys do wear it. Comment down below what you guys thought about this look, and thank you so much, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Love you, bye.